Hi, this is Andre, and thanks for checking out Synthisophy. Synthisophy is scientifically integrating the wisdoms of history into our present culture. Let's take a look today at Chapter 6, Brain and Brain Function. Your brain has 100 billion nerve cells. They're called neurons. And neurons have their cell body, an axon, with axon terminals at the end. The cell body has dendrites, and this is how these cells talk to each other. These neurons, as I said, have branching axons and dozens of dendrites, and that allows them to communicate with each other using various neurotransmitters. These neurons in your brain get input from our five senses: what you see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. An input from these five senses are sent via the neurons and synaptic connections to get neurologically processed in your brain. With the increase in axon and dendrite terminals from branching, there are approximately 1 trillion synaptic connections in your brain. So these 100 billion neurons and 1 trillion synaptic connections then create the perception of your immediate surroundings, your consciousness. Another layer of processing on top of your immediate consciousness are those 100 billion neurons processing all the selected information and input you've received over your lifetime, your subconscious, to which your brain refers when consciously analyzing, categorizing, critically thinking, drawing conclusions, making daily decisions, and choosing directions from everything you've experienced and thought about in your life. That becomes your perception of reality, your neuroreality. So you can think of reality in three ways: reality as it really exists, reality as your brain and 100 billion neurons perceives it, and reality as everyone else perceives it. One could also say that in our country of 300 million people, there is reality as it really exists, reality as you perceive it, and 300 million minus one separate perceptions of reality. Your consciousness and perception of reality by the 100 billion neurons in your brain is your neuroreality, also called your subjective reality. Our hope here is that Synthisophy will bring our neurorealities closer to actual reality.